Hello, today we are going to discuss the topic torque experienced by a current loop in uniform magnetic field. This is applied in voltmeter, ammeter, and again electric appliances like motor, fan, etc. So let us see how it is working. We have a north pole and a south pole. In between, the magnetic field is from north to south. We are placing a coil through which current is passing in the clockwise direction. If you look from the top, you can see it is in clockwise direction. Now let us see what is torque. What is torque? We have studied in first year. Torque means forces are equal and parallel. Look at the direction of the force. They are in opposite direction and the line of action is not the same. In such case, the line of action, one is to the right, the other one to the left, and the perpendicular distance between the two is d. So torque is defined as any of the force into perpendicular distance. Any of the force into perpendicular distance. Now suppose it is rotating. Look at that. Now we can see d is coming down. The distance d is coming down. So torque is reducing. Now come back to our figure. The force acting on each sides. Force it is BIL sin theta on each sides. Look at the coil PQ, QR, RS, SP. So what is force at each point? Each point the force is given by BIL sin theta. So for PQ, theta is 90. For QR, it is 0. RS again 90 and SP 180. So the values are IBL 0, IBL 0. So you can understand only for the sides, PQ and RS, there is force. By Fleming's left hand rule, you can say PQ, the direction on PQ, the force is inward into the plane of the paper, and for RS, it is outside the plane of the paper. Force is acting outward. So net force is 0, but there is torque. It gets rotated. Both forces are equal, parallel and opposite. Thank you.